Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for gas stations on the My BMW application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on this map icon down below, which is the second option. After that, you should tap on this fuel button at the top of the screen below the search bar, and here you can see the nearby gas stations. So if you are interested in any of these, just tap on the relevant one and you will be able to check it out on the map displayed. Here you can see the duration, the opening hours, also the prices can be checked out, service information, available methods of payment, services, the phone number. If you have any further questions you can contact them, and here you can see the other nearby gas stations. So if you would like to add it to your favorites so that you will be able to find it later on, just tap on this star icon next to it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.